down a bit. Of course, there's a former England manager, Nabil Capello, a former foreign England manager, and too many of them.
Karena kenal itu plastik itu oh sila na makasinusapan tuwal iya zartin bebo niyo ihakap usamin debe makahan sa daw kita kompanya de susi Argentina e Chris niya debe daw konsentra mutu ko dia kompanya so ko ba o Nordian debe makahan sa Argentina contra Ingles no daw na sita kompanya de plus laos de so may atmosférica duas mos na varete sira debe makahan concentra muito de acompanhar o jogo ba hoy tapi dia tahu cara kata nak sa jogo ba hoy nornya may ta acompanhar pati ni
Fans in very good voice, great acoustics. That can be his own personal history. England against Argentina, including a winning penalty in the 2002 World Cup group stage in Japan. Watching on eagerly, and of course very much a free kick specialist. The role today with Declan Rice. England getting John Stones in around the back.
Yeah, half a chance, that nice blighted, drifting clip from Declan Rice to reach that far post. John Stones is above Lisandro Martinez. So look at those, grab it there, what goes on and creates actually that big area for John Stones to maybe go and attack it, just didn't get his forehead on it.
It's the first attempt of the game. That's the bounce. Simeone's getting the better of his challenge to the foul. This is down here somewhere, but he's not sitting next to David Beckham. Not very strong.
Diego Marco yang kenal itu plastik terjadi terus dengan maka sa acompanha de posisi Argentina yang Chris ada setare balu hamre balu puri hawal konsentrasyon fokus ia zoom kalau
Stones.
Deve contribuição direita do
Lovely touch from Spence, and Jordan was nearly on to England by the most direct route. We're very nearly behind Argentina then. Spence was still reflecting rather than chasing, but he's there now. Well, fairly enough. Simeone. Gordon. The free kick in the right. It's been a good snap.
Immediately convinced the referee there, Jude Bellingham. And it's quite right. Molina there, that's reckless, he gets too tight. And that's unnecessary. Even though Argentina pride themselves on being a really tough team defensively, you don't want to concede too many free kicks in this sort of area. So many tall and significant players.
Argentine foul. This free kick being trusted to Reece James. It could go for goal here.
Yeah, this way he hits it hard and flat, almost like a shot, and get those white shirts running across the front there.
Defending to be done for the world champions. That's exactly what Andy Townsend described. Argentina haven't got it away yet. They might now. safely.
Held up. Messi running into a roadblock.
The time was just held aloft.
Yeah, not sure who that was filming. Great skill from Messi, wasn't it? He could have dropped it, he could have rolled it backwards, but that's what I mean. He's been in this scenario so many, countless times, thousands of times over the years where he's second best to come out with the ball, but he somehow does.
Elliot Anderson gets the card. And went in. Gordon went in.
Yeah, that is a yellow card challenge, it is. Yeah, Elliot Anderson knows exactly what he's doing now. That's a dangerous one.
Taken 37 minutes for the first card, so the referee I think has kept his patience well, but he had no alternative there. And Messi's over the free kick. And this ball, when he has stayed hit, but it's far too far out even for someone as talented as the taker. As he took a shorter route, and now he might have a crack, he does.
Very sweet Hernandez. I feel that Jordan Pickford, someone got a touch on it along the way, but he hit this one nice. Didn't see much contact there, definitely not been touched by Jordan Pickford. Looks like the right decision, goal kick.
Well, that's the football for you. This World Cup football, it gives you value, shall we say, if you're shooting. And we've had plenty of goals from outside the penalty area, 41 in fact, out of 294. It's a good percentage.
It is.
Very regulated in this indoor arena. Doesn't feel very indoor, does it? We do have the roof. And the games here and in Dallas have been excellent because of that air conditioning. This is trying to work our way through. That was very good covering by Russ. On deck, and then David. It's almost as if the Argentina feel that they can control the ball, but at a slower tempo.
Yeah.
They can't maybe match the quickness of England breaking through midfield. Maybe they've got the guile, they've certainly got the experience, and they've got Messi. Alvarez. Romero. Here is Messi. Gave and went, but didn't get it back again. Tagliafico even being moved around to keep their eyes on the men they're supposed to be marking as well as on the ball, which is with Alvarez. Now Simeone. Nicely worked. They're not behind England. Haven't really thrown big tricks except for that long range from Enzo Fernandez. This is where England hope to use the transition. It's a great straight from Morgan Rogers.
Yeah. Had to be a part there because Anthony Gordon was wide open down the left side. And that's exactly the right tactic for England. It was that pass from Messi that was intercepted, and Morgan Rogers very good at this, very good at travelling with the ball.
Martinez. Bring the card. Spence. Not made of course of Romero's not too far away from him. James.
Diego Malucura naik ke lalu untuk Inggris terus sudah konsentrasi oleh maka fokus maka kita ini terus untuk mengira usaha untuk ni karena sound paling setia terus aplaus dari solo ya semai jadi itu sudah macam sound ini kalau dari sound dari selesai selebrasi dari Vitória estamos dentro da companhia da
I think England, Martin, need to try and have a little bit more possession, control possession themselves, not just waiting for the turnover every time.
Goes out of Simeone's running legs there, and Rodrigo de Paul wouldn't be able to do, you feel. Well, of course, he's been cast in the role, not just a right-sided midfielder, but Messi's minder as well. So Leo's unguarded in that sense today.
Ada saya itu acompanha lá você tá bem possível para ver parte possível se ele vai fazer se não vai fazer também se necessários ou for de Laris Davis sama ele vai de possível sempre da kita wala Cigaru nomos solo que hobe nomos sasanser serta dia de possível ada saya acompanha isso Campo futsal be bora da ne ita ko ina perisira ni posso sove balo ne bema ka se panza bi ko dia acompanha direito so makali sa Argentina momento ne ade perisira mos na focus be se balo ne be ambro sira mos continua hakat bahia estan sir ne bema ka itani sira prepara tapi ini isi benefit lebih dia TBS negosiasi.
Harry Kane pass out to him. It's worked. That one didn't quite. We're heading towards half time. It's a great time it will be to score. Bellingham spreads his arm in disbelief, so that wasn't a foul. The referee's got the opinion that you have to let the minor contacts go, because there are plenty of major ones. 3 added minutes, it's the hydration break minutes.
Better finish to the half for England. This playing in Argentina's half of the field. Just looking to try and pick out Bellingham or Kane in a little bit of space.
Here is Kane, not in much space. Rice. Is it tempting fate and fate settle down a bit?
Well, no, again, I don't think it's ever going to be too far away from this one boiling over. I think it can happen at any given point, but I haven't had too many genuine attempts on goal. The goalkeeper really been tested yet.
Goalkeepers certainly have been tested. Not been a shot on target yet.
Yeah.
James. Rogers. on the right side berth. Headed from Madueke and Bukayo Saka. To the quarterback. Sailing for the Atlanta Falcons, if you know your NFL. Offside. And also for Atlanta United in the Major League Soccer. Big news from that department here in the United States. They're going to switch to a winter conventional season, not play through the summer. The season after next, they're going to have a shortened season and then go again. Telling his troops how to go again in the second half with those notes. Half-time just yet. From Paredes. And there's antagonism from the Argentina dugout.
Dia kembali sini dan memang observação how Jardim de Borra e campo funciona no lugar dele. Será o inglês concentrado por assist direita so entra na sala. How ele masih update kembali satu kali
forward surges. England allowed to still go here.
Lumayan selebrasi. Kamu dah kita baca atau kamu dah fatih yang extreme itu bukan cerita video baca. Jadi nak kasi how no kai mago se fica só que espírito de Deus que
package of a shot first half with plenty of bite, maybe a little bit of spite, and occasionally a light touch, but not many of those. Setting up an attacking sense, and we reach for the break. No nearer knowing whose fame will face in the final. England 0, Argentina 0.